Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Johnny, and today I'm gonna show you how to make some really delicious muffins. I'm trying to recreate a muffin from Whole Food. It's called Morning Glory. So one of my coworkers gave me this muffin and she bought it for me, and I fell in love with it. I really wanted to recreate it. So it came close, but it tastes really good. It has shredded carrot. It's like a carrot cake muffin. It has coconut, carrot, raisins, but if you don't like raisins, you can take it out. Obviously, they're so good, and I hope you love it. So the first thing that we're going to do is just mix our dry ingredients together in a bowl. So in a bowl, I have some all-purpose flour, some ground ginger, cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and I'm just gonna mix everything together and set it aside. Don't worry, I got you covered. The recipe will be in the description box, so you ain't gotta worry. So in another bowl, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix my wet ingredients, which is gonna be the oil. I'm using corn oil, but any vegetable oil or canola oil will work. Also the eggs, brown sugar, and vanilla. Also, this is optional, but I'm gonna add a little bit of orange zest, just a little bit, because it gives like a little sing something, but you really don't have to add it if you don't want. I mix everything together until everything is well combined. So I almost forgot that I have to add some applesauce, so I'm just gonna add it now. So just mix everything together until everything's well blended. So muffins are really simple. So once everything is nice and combined, you're gonna take all your dry ingredients and add them to the wet. Also, I'm gonna add the shredded carrot, the raisins, the coconut, and I'm using chopped pecans, but you can use walnuts if you want. And just mix everything together until it forms a batter, and that's it. That's your muffin batter. So once you have mixed your muffin batter, you're gonna take your muffin pan and put it some liners. I'm using this big muffin pan because I'm into big muffins now, but you can use the regular muffin pan, and you're gonna fill each liner with up to three quarters of the way up. And after that, you're gonna bake it at a 400 Fahrenheit like for 23 to 25 minutes. I'm talking for the big muffins. For the small muffins, it will take like 15 to 18 minutes. Just insert a toothpick in the center, and if it come out clean, it's ready. So this is how my muffins look. As you can see, these are big ones, but you can bake them in regular muffin pan and they will be just as great. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for these Morning Glory muffins. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you get notified whenever I upload a video, and I see you next time. Bye.